What's up, everybody? Hey, look, this dude right here is a character. I'm gonna go ahead and address this right now. Look, this is my boy CJ from Cooking with CJ. Look, hey, I gotta hurry up and start this video because he keep playing with this food. Then listen, you guys read the title. You know what we doing? We doing honey barbecue Chipotle wings, right? Super easy. I know I'm doing a lot of videos right now for the holiday, but we gotta slip this in because we gotta eat on game day. Anything you want to say?
Now, can I get back to playing with my food?
Yeah, let's. Hey, I tell you what, let's work. All right, so look, you can see it's not a whole lot of ingredients, right? I do have my, my buddy right here, CJ, again from Cooking with CJ, right here on YouTube. Listen, you see these ingredients for the lack of, and it is a very, very easy recipe. And don't forget, the full ingredient list will be on my website, smoking and grillin with ab.com, and that's WITAB.com. All right, so look, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Listen, I always cook by myself, you know what I mean? But I do love having somebody in the kitchen with me. If you guys have that luxury, listen, it just changes the whole dynamic.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Listen, man, we just, we do us, you know what I mean? I'm gonna ask that you take these and just go ahead and cut those down.
Get the little flappers off, make them little party wing style.
Yeah, there you go.
All right.
What you gonna do with the tips, though?
I'm gonna save them for stock. I don't know about you, but that's what I do with them.
That's what I love about it, man. You know what I mean? Matter of fact, I'm getting ready to do a video on stock, and I save the bone from the turkey.
Right.
You know what I mean? So I can do some broth, all of that.
Yeah, so you'll cut along the joints right here. Real simple. Give a little pull back, right? Just guide your knife through it.
You look like you've done this before.
I'll enjoy a good chicken wing here and there, baby.
Hey, so for me, I'm gonna go ahead and get our sauce together, right? This is that honey chipotle sauce. This is right here, real simple. You guys gonna love this part. It's really a dump and go. Just take all the ingredients that you measured in the very beginning, right? You just take them in here, drop them in, and then you post it, right? That's what we're gonna brush the wings with. All right, so listen, after you guys been watching that little food porn, you know what I mean, with all of that slow-mo dip, pouring all of that.
I love the slow-mo. Come on now.
Hey, me too.
Dude.
You know what I'm saying?
Just got that good music on with it.
Right.
And I'll tell you what, before you even blitz all that up, it smells so damn good, dude.
Oh, man.
I can't wait to get some of these wings going.
So listen, what I'm doing right now is just taking out a couple of these peppers, right? Because I do like to, the taste, you know what I mean? We're going to go ahead and put 3. Now, for some of you guys, you might want to put in a little bit more. So we got 2 in there already, right? Let me bring it over so y'all can see it. You know what I mean? I'm going to make a video. Man, I wish he was here for this. I wanted to make a video to tell everybody what they should keep in their pantry.
Oh, yeah.
And their cupboards. You know what I mean? Just a few things that you can get throughout the world. You know what I mean? Well, I'm going to say throughout the United States. And even if you live like in the sticks, you know what I mean? You can get it.
While he's getting ready to blitz that up, we also got some boneless, skinless chicken thighs because not everybody likes wings. And this would be great for those meal preppers out there. All we're gonna do is get off this little bit of fat, trim them up a real nice little, nothing crazy. Don't get out of control with it, and that's it.
Hey, with you saying that, man, I'm glad you said that because I didn't want to say, hey, man, that ain't no brisket. This ain't no competition.
Yeah, we're not trying to.
You can leave a little something on there.
You can leave a fat is flavor. Right, as you can tell, we're both flavorful.
Ain't that the truth?
Jeez.
All right, so if you guys come on in here, let's take a look at what I'm finna do right here. And that'll be just, now, let me just say this. For everybody does not have a food processor. I got it. You can use a hand mixer. I will say that. So let's go with power. Let's hit post. All right, so now I want you guys to just see it and look at the texture, right? So as I pull that off right there, you see how it is? We need to be able to use a brush. You want it smooth, and that's what we're gonna brush onto the chicken.
Got it. All right, I'm gonna preheat the oven while you're getting that set up. We're gonna bake 325. Hit start. We're good to go, baby.
Okay, folks, so listen, what we're gonna do now is go ahead, you can hit it with that avocado oil. Let me explain this to everybody too.
Oh yeah, this is the good stuff right here.
This is the good stuff. I got it, it might be a little bit on the pricey side, you know what I mean, but if you can get it, just try it. This is the avocado oil. I buy all of my products from, Branch and Vaughn, right? Now, I'll put this down right here. You guys can see, I got a couple of little products right here. These are my sea salts, right? I gotta tell you this, listen, it is vegan. Don't let that turn you off. For you vegan people that you want to spice up your food, this right here will give you what you want. Now, this one right here, this is that bacon sea salt. I love this, cook with it, put it on everything, but especially when I put it on Check this out. That'll be them baked potatoes.
Oh,
Put that on
man.
the skin.
I'm telling you.
Yeah. As long as I made them, I know I brushed them and cleaned them up good.
Yes,
I
sir.
eat the whole thing.
Oh
Right.
yeah. You gotta eat the skins.
Right. And just to show you guys, they have other options right here. This is the Adderwood smoked. I want you to taste this one too, man.
All right. I love the bacon flavor stuff. Oh man, that's good, dude.
Yeah. So
Y'all need to get some of this, man.
So which one you want to go with?
I want to do the bacon because I think the bacon will play with the Chipotle. Come on.
I'm glad you said that, man, because you're not just picking bacon because bacon is good.
Well, you know
what I mean? But,
everything's better with bacon.
I mean, that's true. But I do like the profile with it.
All right, so we're just gonna sprinkle in there and mix it all up.
Yeah, let's do that.
All right.
You know what? I'll leave that up to you.
All right. So we're just gonna light dust it, and we'll just give it a mix.
There you go. All right, folks. So look, the only thing left to do is, I will tell you this. I did spray my grates, right?
Smart.
My sheet, because you know how sometimes things stick. So I did spray that off camera.
All right.
Now, what we're gonna do is, do you think?
All right. I'm just waiting for you to tell me what to do, supervisor.
Yeah. Okay, so what we're doing is we're gonna only brown the thighs. You can brown the wings if you want to, but I say no. So what he's doing is he's starting them down top side. I mean, yeah.
The
top,
money side, the
money
presentation side.
Right.
Because we did a competition trim on them.
That's right. Please don't let these jokes that me and him joking around in this kitchen, make you think that this man don't know what he's doing. You know what I mean? Me and him been cooking together for years.
So long. So long.
Yeah, so long.
Dude.
You know what I mean?
A few more gray hairs.
Oh, that's right. Hey, look, when I met you, I might have been all black.
Oh, yeah?
All right, talk to me, man.
All right, man. Looking, these are nice and golden brown on the top.
Yes, sir.
You're not trying to cook them through, right?
All right, so CJ, you're complete, right?
I'm good.
So I don't know why I've been watching you, you know what I'm saying? I should have been in here and started laying these out.
Right
so
on.
what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these, and when you see this part of the wing, I start with my finished side down, right? So we always call it just like the top.
Now, why do you do it like that? Finish side down.
Just so that when I'm done with it, you know what I mean? I start basting and everything this way. Then when I turn it over, when I say finished side, that's the side that I'm gonna present.
All right, good.
You know what I mean? Looks the best.
Right on.
So we'll just get some of these out of here.
Now, while you're putting those on there, can I ask you, are you a drum guy or a flat guy? Which one's yours?
Man, they're so close. I really like the drums though. You know what I mean? I like flat. I like it all, man.
Well, I'm team flats, baby.
Oh, okay.
Come on, dude.
I got you. That's why I can't find none in the damn store no more.
That's true. I
They
get
used
them all
to-
up.
Yeah,
man.
you buying them all up.
Yes, sir.
All right, so I'm looking at this. I know it look crazy because these look like these are done.
Right.
And then, these right here is raw. But don't forget, they both still need to be cooked, right?
Yes, sir.
So I'm going back with a little bit more of this bacon, sea salt. Okay, folks, so listen, now you can see we got everything in the inside, on top of these, right? This is like my overflow, so we're gonna put that in there also. Now, we're gonna put them in like this, and we're not gonna put none of this on here. Don't forget, it got brown sugar in it, right? Brown sugar will burn, give it that funny look. So we're just gonna stick it in like this. And it's good to stick them in this way, so they kind of get a little bit on the crispy side. All right, so listen, we put it in the oven, and I forgot to tell you guys the time, right? I like to go 20 minutes. On each side, right?
Right.
But when we open that up after 20 minutes, I'm gonna use the instant read to check, the boneless, skinless, right? That's what you wanna check, because if that right there is flat, by us browning it, it got a head start on the cooking process.
Hey, while you're talking about that, hey, get a load of this. My boy, AB made me this. I'm pumped up. Where can they get their own? Oh, he's Chef AB, cooking with CJ.
Yeah. Don't forget, you know what? It's on my website. You guys got to look at that under the custom aprons. You guys can get an apron, figure out what you want to put on there. We'll put it on there. We got 3 different fonts. Just do it. I've been seeing some funky names coming through here too. Let me just pull these out right here. Now, you remember these are boneless, skinless chicken thighs, right? I think we probably should have just flipped these over and started on this side to put let it cook from the bottom side, because it already had a head start, right? So we only been in here about like 6 minutes, maybe 6 or 7 minutes. So I'm just gonna flip these over and let these work. And then we're gonna temp these at about, like I say, 20 minutes, right? Then we're gonna start basting. Okay, folks, so look, I'm gonna go ahead and pull these out right now because we're gonna start our basting. Right, so I'm gonna take this. You know what, I don't wanna drop nothing.
Careful,
Hey,
careful. Come
been
on.
there and done now. Let's put it over here by you.
All right, good, good.
All right, so you can go ahead and start basting.
Just light baste. Make sure you get in all those nooks and crannies now.
Yes, sir.
Look at how juicy that is.
Hey, so to give you guys just an update, you know what I mean? These are honey barbecue chipotle wings and boneless, skinless chicken thigh. Look at that right there.
Nice and saucy.
So if you want to know what we're doing, we just basting them, put them back in there, and then we're going to cook that on there, and then we're going to flip them over and get heavy with the sauce then. All right, so now we go back, you can see. And when we say baste, meaning we're not going to flip these over yet. We put these back in the inside, and what we're going to do is let that cook. Look at that right there. Ooh-wee, folks. Okay, folks, so look, it's been another 5 minutes, right? So it's been about a total of 25 minutes. I'm gonna pull these out. You can see how it like cooks. Wait,
let me drop this down.
Drop that down, bro.
All right, there you go. Watch yourself now.
You can see how this has been cooked on here. You know what I mean? We're gonna hit it one more time, and then what we're gonna do is flip it over and finish the cook off, but we're gonna baste. That's up to you, how much sauce you would like to have on them. That determines, you know, how many times you're gonna baste it. But once you cook it on there, look at it. You can especially see it on these right here. You know what I mean? Oh, yeah.
That color, dude.
That color, yes, sir. All right, so listen, this will be the last time that I show this. You guys do it how you want to. Now, when you talk about having an instant read, this right here is just to ensure that we at 165, right? I know we are. We probably gonna end up somewhere right around 175. So we finna baste, put it back in there, cook that on, and maybe baste again, maybe not. But then the next time you see it, it'll be right there, and it'll be ready to go.
Get it right in our mouths.
Hey, pause. All right, folks, well, look, we already done made it a star. That's why you here, because you done clicked on that thumbnail, right? Hey, as you can see, I see what you do.
Do I have to wait?
Right, no, we get out. Hey, here we go. You know what I mean? Look at that right there. Ah, yeah. Okay, without no further ado, let's eat, folks.
There you go. Oh, man. Juice is running on the napkin here.
Come on in here. Look at how juicy this is. Look. See that?
That's perfect, bro.
I know what we having today for lunch. Hey, bro.
Not bad. Not bad at all.
Hey, your honest opinion, what do you think? What do you taste like when you inhale it? Like what stood out to you?
Dog, I'm getting that salt, that bacon salt,
Hey,
man.
hands
It's
down,
stupid.
folks. You guys gotta try it.
Some.
You know what I mean? Hey, I'm not putting nothing on it. You guys really gotta get it. And we did the right amount of seasoning, you know, with it, baked it on, and it's still strong enough to, you know, come through and marry, you know, with the barbecue.
It works great with that Chipotle.
Yes, it does.
Yeah.
Hey, so with that being said, listen, talk to us down in the comment section below. Hey, and also, this is my boy CJ from Cooking with CJ. Go by and check out his channel. I do. Sometimes I get some ideas and I do a little lift and put it on this channel. Hey, not for real. So check it out. If you're new to this channel, let me take this time to say thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, smash that subscribe button, and tell everybody out there there's a channel out here that's simplifying these recipes and taking the mystery out of cooking. Hey, you know how I do. Hey, I want you to go that way. And
Yes,
I'm gonna
sir.
go this way. We out. Peace.